Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get blocks using commands in Minecraft. To begin, you'll primarily use three commands: /give, /setBlock, and /fill. The /give command adds items directly to a player's inventory. For placing single blocks at specific locations, /setBlock is your go-to. When you need to modify larger areas, the /fill command becomes incredibly useful. We'll cover each of these in detail, along with important arguments like coordinates and target selectors. The /give command is perfect for adding items directly to a player's inventory. You'll need to specify the target player, the item's ID, and the amount. For instance, /give at stone64 will give you a full stack of 64 stone blocks. You can also include data values for specific block variations, like different wood types, and even NBT tags for custom item properties. This command is essential for quickly stocking up on resources. When you need to place a single block at a precise location, the /setBlock command is your best friend. You'll provide the X, Y, and Z coordinates where the block should appear, followed by the block's ID. You can use relative coordinates with the tilde symbol, like ~1 to place a block directly below you. Additionally, you can specify a mode such as replace, destroy, or keep to control how existing blocks are handled. For modifying larger areas, the /fill command is incredibly powerful. You define a cuboid region by specifying the coordinates of two opposite corners. Then, you provide the block ID you want to fill that entire space with. This command also supports various modes, including replace to change existing blocks, destroy to drop items, hollow to create an empty shell, or outline to build just the walls. It's perfect for constructing large structures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.